Assalamu alaikum and hello to you all. You can call me Sadgi. So this is my very first video and I'm quite nervous and I'm going to make mistakes also, so please bear with that. So today I'm going to take you through a brief journey of my acne period, which I basically got during lockdown time, and the kind of products which I bought that worked for me and the ones that did not work for me at all. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. During lockdown period, we all were very free and we had nothing to do, so we wanted to work on our hair issues, on improving our skin. So I also jumped on the bandwagon of quite a few internet trends that were in vogue during that time period, and probably one of those things did not work very well for me. The kind of things that I did try during lockdown period was oil cleansing. I tried rice water on my skin that internet says will give your skin a glass finish, and I also bought a few aloe vera gel products. It's all there on YouTube and other platforms also, that coconut oil is very good for your skin. But after doing that oil cleansing with coconut oil, that was the time that when I started getting acne on my skin. I got to know that coconut oil is highly comedogenic. So for the people who have oily skin, they must know that they do not have to use products which are comedogenic. They should use products which are non-comedogenic. Everybody is like raving about Plum products. Everybody is talking about the tea tree range from Plum, so I also immediately bought Plum. One was the toner, the other one was the face wash, and one was the renewed clarity night gel. I used it for around 20 to 25 days, but I did not see any result. Toner was still better. It used to refreshen my skin, but I did not see any major difference. So I bought another toner from Kaya, and I read about it and I thought it might help me in clearing my acne. So this was the toner that I bought from Kaya, and to my experience, unfortunately, this did not help me either. So I think rather than spending your money and wasting your money on other products, you should use the classic ones, which is Himalaya face wash. This should be there in the bag of every oily skin person. Like immediately after first use, I could see the difference in my skin. I could see the difference in my acne, and I still use it. It really helped me a lot. It really helped me in improving my skin. Like I love this. I love this. The other product that I also bought during that time period was this Kama Ayurveda rose water. This is the one, and this is so good. Like people with oily skin should definitely use it, and during summers especially, you just like open the bottle and do that. It smells so good. This is like so rosy. You feel like rosy. I don't know if it makes sense, but this is so good. I'm already a oily skin person and I had acne during that time period, so I just thought I should skip moisturizer, but this is like a big mistake that I did. My skin became so dry and dull. So there were like two moisturizers that I bought during the time period. One was the newly launched Pond's Super Light Gel. So this is it. Yes, people with oily skin should buy this product. I mean, it is super light. Like you'll just apply it and you won't even feel that you've applied anything on your skin. During summers you should have it, because you'll just apply and it'll be absorbed in your skin within like seconds. So you can just see. So this is like water based. It comes with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which is very good for your skin, and I think you should use it. This is perfect for summers, not really ideal for winters, but although I still use it, like I apply it on the first coat and then after that I apply some other moisturizer. Other moisturizer that I bought was the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. So basically one of the dermats suggested me this, so I had to buy the lotion one, and I by mistake bought the cream. I couldn't use this in summers because this is like quite creamy, and I had acne on my skin. I couldn't use it in summer, so I would rather suggest using this particular one in winters. Now I'm using it, but for summers I think you should buy the lotion. This one is like good. If you have acne, I think you should be a little patient, because acne comes and it will go all by themselves. No matter how much you try, they'll take their time and they'll go. So I started getting acne I think in July or in August, so it took me almost 2 months to basically clear my skin, and I still have acne, if you can see. Also, I completely forgot to mention how neem really helped me in curing my acne. So you can make your own neem toner at home by boiling a few neem leaves with water and then cooling it down. You can use that toner twice a day, and also can keep it like 2-3 days in refrigerator. Also, you can make your own neem face pack and use it once a week. And if you have severe acne, then you can use twice a week also. All you need is to crush a few neem leaves and add a pinch of turmeric water. Add a pinch of turmeric, and you can also add rose water to it. And if you want, you can also add cornstarch, a pinch of cornstarch. Cornstarch will help in erasing the marks of acne. So yeah. And there's one thing that I cannot stop focusing upon is to drink a lot of water. I think everybody will ask you to drink a lot of pee, to drink a lot of pee.
Drink a lot of pee.
Sorry, I know we pee a lot after having water, but this is what I wasn't trying to say.